Dang, that's not gonna tight too. Everything's cold today, but oh yeah, we got us some gas. Yeah, we got 5 gallons of gas, and I actually found my other gas can that I wanted to use for the Plymouth instead of this, I don't know, 2.5 gallons, something like that. Took and found that I had it around back. I thought it was gone, but she's still here. There's a little bit of crud in it, but Plymouth don't care. So we took and drilled a hole here. So we run our line in here. Maybe have the tank sit down in there like that. And I got a cap for it and be able to just fill it up without having to pull anything apart. And so let's see what we can get done here and get this swapped out, some gas in it. And I don't know if the damn Yukon will start again, because it didn't want to start when I moved it from over there to over here. But we'll get it started up and then jump start this one with it. Might have to do a little bit of Cosby sauce to it, I'm sure. I reckon I know what's wrong with it. It ain't got no gas in it. Got some gas in it now. Got me a trusty cap. I think I'll get that on there. I ain't holding my tongue right. Well. Yeah, I know this battery is crap, but we're gonna try it anyway. Did try this one before I started messing with this, and it did start up. And I went ahead and put my float charger back on it. So there's some jumper cables over here and some Cosby sauce, and we'll see what this thing will do. Plymouth, Mopar, no car. We was working on this thing, and I didn't realize how late it was. And so we can't start this thing because it's loud. It's super loud. And I know my battery's pretty much junk. It's probably, I think it's about 3 or 4 years old. And the Plymouth battery is in the Ford Expedition. So I think what I'm gonna do, I can't start this one up and put that in there. So I think what I'm gonna do is go over here, and we're gonna get the battery out of that one and put it back in here real quick, and then put the charger on it. And if I get to do this tonight, I'll do it tonight. If not, it'll be tomorrow. All right, got the battery swapped out, the Expedition in here, which that battery belongs to the Plymouth. It says we got 9.1 volts, about 80 percentile in the battery. We got a trigger hooked up. We're gonna let this charge a little while, and we'll come back and see what she does. Get this sucker in neutral. She's in neutral. Got the key on, blower motor running. Turn that off. Got some Cosby sauce, ain't got much.
Want to do it right. You don't want to just spray each or anything, kind of like that zip ties guy. Man, he's hard on shit.
Bad connection. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Got some gas. Let's throw some down its throat hole and see what it'll do. She almost get a little bit more gas. Dang it, son. Alright, we're gonna have to let the battery charge up another minute. Guess it wouldn't help if I had the charger on there already. Yeah. We'll have to let the battery charge up, dang it. Probably should just put the jumper cables on it. But that truck is just so loud, man. Well, we let the battery charge up just a little bit. Let's throw some more gas to it. No, we gotta get this thing started tonight. Here comes the car. We gotta take a pause. Probably ride by here and thinking, what in the world is this damn fool doing out there in the cold working on the old car? Gotta do what we gotta do. Let's see what this thing will do. Little juice in it. Right here. We're done. Yeah, so we don't know if y'all saw that little spark, but we got a little bit of a loose connection. Probably part of my problem. Well, tighten up the loose connection, and I'm about done fooling with this thing. Either it's gonna start or we're gonna scrap this whole video. Another car guy failure. Cheers, gang. Hit up my GoFundMe. Maybe some super chats.